Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to connect Base44 to GitHub. Now the first thing I want you to do is just go ahead and open up any app or any project that you have created. And then what we will do, we'll just come here to the top right, okay? And you click on this icon and you'll see the beta features here. And one of them is export project to GitHub. Now, once you click on this, you need to first integrate with GitHub, basically connect with GitHub. And for that, you need this plan, okay? Either Builder, Pro, Elite, or Enterprise plan. So you need to upgrade to these plans, okay, to go ahead and access at least this one, bare minimum. They have GitHub integrations, and then you can go ahead and connect Base44 to GitHub. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe to App Mentor.